Google just released their brand new video generator, VEO 3.1. And this is breaking the internet because it's generating millions and millions and millions of views. And people are loving it and they're making tons of brain rot content. I know you've seen people using Sora 2, VEO 3.1, Nano Banana, Kling. What if I had a tool that put all of those things under one umbrella, but we thought outside the box because we're going to use it to get paid? Because think about this, attention equals dollars. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Because whether you like it or not, it's not a matter of your opinion. AI is here to stay and it's getting better and better, bro. From where it used to be in 2023, 2024 to now, it is insane. So if you're a small business owner or a content creator, whether you started or you're going to become one in the future, this video is going to show you some of the things I think that are going to change your life. Let's get into the computer. And what I'm gonna do right now is just show you some of the examples that you can make with this, bro. So you see, when I hover over a video, it actually will play it out loud. So go ahead, let's check out this anime style. Look at this, action-packed. One thing I wanna point out, action-packed as you see. And one thing I wanna point out, it shows you how long it was, what generation tools they used to make it. Very fire. And if you wanna copy it, click view creation process. Let's say you wanna make a music video, like this one with friends. Look at this theme. Yeah, that was fire. Whether you know about Friends, you like the show or not, you gotta admit that's impressive. And I wanna copy that idea. Let me show you how. So what you would do is you would literally go right here and you would click view creation process. Now this is what sets Flova apart. It's super dope and it's literally like a ton of AI agents all hired just for you and they all work at the same time. Watch this. Now I want you to see right here in real time, this is the exact prompt whoever made this use, bro. Look how fire this is. You can see the images they use. 1, 2, 3. You can go to the image. You can save it if you want to copy it, and you can literally use these images. And guess what else you can do? You can see actually what they uploaded. So they uploaded a Friends theme song. So it knew exactly what style, what kind of song. And then they said design the characters. You can copy that. And then look, bro, it shows you the whole workflow. What song it came up with, the steps that go into it, the creative brief. So this is going to break down step by step what they did to come up with this music video. And you can see the conversation they're having with the AI. So if you're ever curious and you want to replicate success, you can literally copy and paste this and model it along so you get everything they got. In fact, I made a little music video. Christmas coming up, we're gonna get paid. Look at this video.
I see the children watching for Santa sleigh, hoping he will bring them joy on Christmas Day. Mistletoe is hanging a perfect sweet design, and all I can imagine is your lips on mine. Trip or a diamond ring. It's the simple joy and love that you bring. You're the reason for this feeling in my soul.
So as you see in my music video, you see my little bro is out here getting girls. We got different HD quality, bro. It literally made this video for us. And one of the things I like is that you can communicate directly with the AI. Let me show you. So AI is getting so smart to the point where I literally was like, look, I just want to do this example. Just finish the video, bro. You're asking too many questions. Hurry up. This thing literally checked off everything and finished the video. You can talk to AI like you would talk to an actual person. And I want to show you this. Here's an example of when a person messes up, they might just leave that image blank. You don't get an opportunity to approve the images you like before you create the video. So this is making the entire storyboard. And whenever a picture doesn't generate, I said, finish the video and hurry up. And guess what it did? It made the whole timeline, bro. It made the modifications. And then when I made the modification, one of the characters wasn't a girl, right? So I simply went in and I said, make this a girl. And look what it did. Just look at the video now. This is a girl. She's in the video. She's having love. She's smiling. This is super fire. And I'm literally impressed, bro. Like, this is crazy how good AI is. It should probably be illegal. And I say all that to say, what if you had a YouTube page that had videos like these playing? You're not going to get copyright infringed. You want to know why? Because I made this song. I made it right here on the app by literally typing. So as we went, it made the song. Let me show you. So you go up here and you click storyboard. And the reason this is fire is because it's going to show you the entire storyboard. So if you don't like scene 1 or image 1, you can change it. Guess what? They got regenerate. You can like it if you want more like this. You can change the prompt. And when you scroll down, they even have the song. So they have 2 versions of the song. They made a Christmas song based on the Mariah Carey song. I didn't give it any reference. I didn't upload anything. And the reason it's only playing that portion of the song is because it's linking it with that part of the video. So as you see right here, they have 8 seconds to 38 seconds. When you press play, it'll play that section of the song. Yeah, that's a banger, bro. That's a hit, by the way. And you can go step by step and you can have your video. And once you are done with your video, bro, and you approve of all of these messages and all of these images and everything included, you can literally type with the AI and say, change the music. And if you want it to be faster, you could change the music to be faster. Anything you want, you could do it right here, and all you have to do is communicate directly with the AI. I'm literally impressed. I press export, you can export it these type of ways. I export it as a video, and it pops up on my computer, and you can download it. And I just think it's fire that you can copy or replicate success, because it leaves clues, you hear me? So copy this whole entire prompt, and just go in and fill in your character, what you like, what your themes are, and it'll make something so similar. Let's say, for example, we want to make something a little more realistic, and you got a product that you want to sell. We're gonna get paid either way, right? Here you go, OG, look at this. Yeah, you guessed it. This is the actual commercial someone made for Flova, and you can literally view the whole creation process, copy it, and make your own. And in fact, I did make my own. Look at this.
My grandkids used to think I was boring. Now, my boss...
Grandma knit a sweater so cool, my phone blew up. She's a
Forget gallery validation. My alert went off when I mixed this perfect shape. Our brunch photos were good, but Baller Alert confirmed they were flex-worthy.
You can't script viral moments, but with this,
I used to hunt for content. Now, Baller Alert just tells me when I'm being
The ROI on self-validation is through the roof.
And I'm not gonna cap y'all, obviously it needs some editing. You can still move transitions and edit the script a bit, but I just wanted to show you for the sake of an example, bro. This made me a full-on YouTube video I can use. I can crop it and use it as an Instagram video, whatever we wanna do, and it's selling a product. I made a product like Life Alert, it's called Baller Alert. It lets you know when you're flexing. Look at the old people talking about it. And all I did was type in 2-3 words, bro. So my favorite part is when I get to the scenes, you can look at how real the people look, bro. Look at this. Baller Alert, baby, made me a whole commercial. And look, I want to show y'all, if you ever want to shorten something or you want to edit it, you can literally click here, you can shorten it. You can go in and change the audio. You can change the volume. If I want to change it, the music's too loud, I go to audio and I can decrease the volume. I can fade. You can do all sorts of stuff. So this even has an in-app editor, bro. Like, this is a literal way you can start making some UGC or ads for your products, make a YouTube channel, make a TikTok channel or page, and start getting paid right now. Because guess what? Whoever the hell made this cat video, whoever the hell made this 3 billion view video, they're getting paid. You hear me? 11 million views here. They're getting paid each and every day in every way. I suggest you go ahead and look up some funny or viral videos on YouTube and TikTok, and you can literally replicate that. And if you ever get too lazy or bored and you need some inspiration, you can literally go to Created with Flova on the home screen and they'll give you some inspiration. Like, what is that? Is that Glaceon? Bro, they got Glaceon on here. That's a Pokemon. It's amazing. Bruh, Spider-Man, Iron Man, crazy. And when you edit your models, always remember you can choose from some of the new ones like Nano Banana Pro, yes sir, Seed Dream, VO 3.1, Sora 2. These are dominating the internet and you need to start checking these out because AI is here to stay. You let me know what you think about these tools, but this is one of the easiest ways we can start getting rich with AI like we're doing here on day 72. This is attention. Attention is gonna drive the dollars. We are using Flova AI. Like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you think. You did.